I have here an interesting flashlight from Sofirn, the Sofirn SE1. This flashlight is really small, but it has many functions. It has a white light that's really bright, much brighter than the flashlight on a smartphone. It has RGB light and it also has UV light. And it has a few mounting options, but I'll show you those after unboxing this flashlight. But first, let's take a look at the information on the package. On the front, we can see what it looks like and the name of this model, SE1. Looking at the side, it says 300 lumens, a 76 meter beam, a quick release clip module, and this compact flashlight weighs only 20 grams in total. Here is a QR code, and on the back we have the runtime. Right here we can see the runtime for each mode. So in high mode it runs at 300 lumens for 1 minute and then switches to 75 lumens for 41 minutes with a beam distance of 76 meters. In medium power it has 75 lumens, a runtime of 44 minutes and a beam distance of 38 meters. In low mode it's 15 lumens, 3 hours and 35 minutes of runtime and a beam distance of 70 meters. In moonlight mode it's only 2 lumens, so it's really dim, perfect when you just need a little bit of light at night. It has a runtime of 10 hours and 24 minutes with a reach of 8 meters. And for UV light it's 120 milliwatts with a runtime of 33 minutes. It has drop resistance up to 1.5 meters, weighs 20 grams and can be fully charged in 45 minutes. Here are the dimensions: 3 by 3 centimeters. It's charged via Type-C, 5 volts, 0.23 amps. And here we have the color temperature. So let's unbox it. Here is the tape for easy opening without using any tools. And here is a paper pull tab. You can see how small the flashlight is. And right here on the bottom we have the instruction manual. Here is one specific mounting piece. I actually think this piece can be easily mounted right on the wrist. In this package we have a specialized clip featuring a powerful magnet for quick release functionality. We also receive a sturdy metal chain for mounting this flashlight, a high quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and an additional mounting piece designed specifically for this flashlight model. Consequently, we have a wide variety of different pieces included here that will let you securely mount the device almost anywhere you could possibly want. Depending on the situation, you can choose the appropriate mounting option. And right here we have a very small flashlight available in 4 distinct colors, and it comes with a bit of protection. Here we have a mounting hole and a USB-C port. Here are the LEDs. And I think right here is the RGB light, and we can easily mount it to this clip. Right here we have the magnetic attachment symbol, and we can securely mount it onto your wrist using this specific piece. Furthermore, we can rotate the flashlight in any specific direction that we want to shine. And let's see what they say in the manual. What's included in the box, the available modes, information about the battery, product overview, charging information, locking and unlocking. We can press it 3 times to lock and unlock this flashlight. When it is locked, we can press and hold to turn on the moonlight mode and release it to turn it off, switching between off, white mode, UV light and RGB light. When it is in the off position, we press it once and it goes to the white light. Press it twice and it goes to the UV light. And press and hold, it goes to the RGB light. And in the white light mode, when it is turned on, we can press and hold to switch between moonlight, low, medium and high. In RGB mode, when we press it twice, it cycles through red light, breathing, warning flash and rainbow. And we have other languages available. So let's try those features. Right now we can see it is locked. I cannot turn it on. And if I press the button 3 times in a row, now the device is successfully unlocked. If I lock it again and now I press and hold down this specific button, we get the moonlight mode. When I release it, it completely turns itself off. Let's unlock it. Now when it is turned off, I can press once to turn on the white light. And in white light mode, I can press and hold to switch between the brightness levels. When I double-click the button, we're activating the UV light. And when I press and hold it down, we get this multicolored RGB lighting effect. And now I can double press it. We have the red light. Now we have the breathing mode. Now we have the warning flash. Now we are back to the rainbow, and I can switch it off. To test if it really is a UV light, I have a UV meter here, and I have a second test, a simple UV indicator card. So we are going to see if it's really a UV light or simply some kind of random purple light. I will carefully hide exactly half of the card under this piece of paper. Let's double press it now and we'll detect the UV light. We can see that it is definitely and indeed a UV light. It detects it. And now let us put the card to the test. Let it shine just a little bit more right now. And you can see the difference. Here is a white chameleon and here is a purple one. Let's shine a little bit more to make it really dark. Now you can clearly see for yourself that indeed it is a UV light right here. And this quick release is actually quite a smart design, that they've put a strong magnet so we can easily mount it and unmount it. And we have this versatile mounting clip, and by using this included adjustable strap, we can securely attach it directly to the back of our hand and have a bright light right where we are working on something. Furthermore, we can at any given moment easily disassemble the whole setup and put it anywhere else we might need it. So it is a really small and compact flashlight, but it is also quite useful and incredibly interesting for various tasks. Many useful features in a really small size. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe and be nice.